Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, and in this channel I share tools, tips and techniques to help you become better at data analytics. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates from all the tutorial that we receive. And if you also need a personal tutor, you can also contact me via my LinkedIn channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the 5 most or control shortcuts that can save you hours in Excel. So imagine working in Excel and saving hours just by pressing a few keys. So in this tutorial, I will show you 5 powerful control shortcuts that every beginner and even advanced user should know in Excel. So if you are into data analytics or productivity, trust me, this tutorial video will change how you work. So now the first control key that we are going to be talking about is Ctrl B. Yes, your Ctrl B, Ctrl B. So what does it do? Ctrl B makes it makes your text boldly. So now let's go to Excel. So now Ctrl B in Excel it makes your text boldly. Instead of coming to this place and and click bold here, you can easily press Ctrl B. So if I highlight this now, you highlight anything you want to do and you click Ctrl B. If I highlight everything here, let me say I highlight this first project 101, everything in the project 101, I highlight it and I press Ctrl B, you can see what it does. So if you are creating report or dashboard, you will also need to highlight your header. So all you need to do is to select what you want to do, and then you select, just have selected what I want to do, then you press Ctrl B, boom, bold, and it's applied boldly instantly. So why this matter is it saves time. Instead of going through the toolbar every time, you can actually use your Ctrl B. So the next one that I want to do now, the next control that shortcut that we need to do is Ctrl T. This is a game changer. What does it do? What it does is it converts your data into a structured table. Yes, Ctrl T converts your data into a structured table. So I always advise my mentee that, or all my subscribers, to always convert their data into table, because it makes our work very easier and also dynamics. So now if I highlight anything here now and press Ctrl T, you can see now it has highlighted everything. So, and it's asking me my table has said that yes, if yours has not checked, kindly check the table, this box, and click OK. You can see now it has highlighted our table. And from here you can begin to change different design. You can change it to different design that you want. Let me leave it in this design. So you can leave it like this. I think I love this better now. So now Ctrl T, the benefit of Ctrl T is automatical featuring. Yes, it's better formatting and also dynamic ranges for analysis. So if you are using Power Query or dashboards, always convert your data to a table first before you start your analysis. Now the next control key is Ctrl F. Ctrl F, what it does, it helps you quickly find any value in your data set. So assuming you have a very large data set and you are looking for something, you don't want to be featuring, or you don't want to be scrolling up and down, all you need to do is to copy that thing that you want. If I copy this down and then I select this range data and then I click F, Ctrl F, you can see now if I click Ctrl and then paste it here, what am I finding? I want to find this Ctrl F. So now you can see now it has taken me to where it is. This is it now. It has highlighted it. So assuming that I put Ctrl 108 and help me to find it. You can see now it has highlighted where it is in the table. It has highlighted where it is in the table. So let's assume I now put something entirely. You can see now it's saying we couldn't find. That means that particular things that you are looking for is not in the data range. So now you can also use this to replace, to search and find. You can use this to search. You can also use this to replace. So let's assume I want to replace 101 to project, then copy this and paste it there to project 120. Replace, then replace all. See now, one all finish, one replacement need. You can see now it has replaced this to project 120. So your Ctrl F can help you search, it can help you find, it can help you replace. Now then, why this matter is because why like I said earlier, why Ctrl F matter is because when working with large data sets, scrolling is not an option. So this saves a lot of time. This saves a lot of time. The next one again, the next control key is your Ctrl A. Ctrl A. Ctrl A. That's your next control key. So Ctrl A, why it matter? What it does? Ctrl A helps you to select all your data at once. So you use it when you want to format or you want to copy data. That's what your Ctrl A does. So now if I select Ctrl 8 here, now Ctrl, it selected everything. You can see now it has highlighted everything. That's what your Ctrl A did. And the last control key is Ctrl D. Ctrl D. If I press Ctrl D here now, Ctrl D does two things. What it does, it copy content or formula from the cell above, like it's filled down. Or you can also use this to delete. You can see, I think you can use it to delete, but most importantly, it copies self. It fill down cell. You can see now, let me go back. You see this particular cell now, you see this particular, let's start from here. You see we're having 77, the first cell, we're having 77,578. So now if I click Ctrl D, you see it copied the one from the first to this. That's what Ctrl B. So if I click here now, you can see now it's filling down. That's what your Ctrl D is. That's what it does. So let's do a quick repair. Ctrl B bold, Ctrl T create table, Ctrl F find and replace, Ctrl A select all, and Ctrl D fill down. So master this and your Excel workflow become faster instantly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share, also make sure you comment, and most importantly subscribe for more data analysis tips. See you in the next video, and also let me know in the comment section which shortcut do you use more. Bye for now.